Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 935K3 and this is by Majorette and this is from their Porsche edition. So as you can see here it has metal body, rubber tire, suspension, opening parts. Okay, it's licensed obviously. You can see the licensing here. So it is that everyone loves this. I personally love this stickers. Okay, so I bought this for MRP which is 599. So it will be in discount in some time, but honestly these are worth compared to buying a Hot Wheels premium. Let me tell you why once I unbox this. Okay, let's open this. So I'm just going to throw this card away anyway because it doesn't have any card art or anything, but it comes with this beautiful metal box. This is a metal box. Okay, let me just open it now. Okay, let's take the box first. Okay, take this out and let's throw this away. Okay, so this is a metal tin. I mean, for 599 they're giving you everything, but most of you guys, whoever didn't buy any Majorette so far, my personal suggestion would be please buy at least one and experience how awesome that is for the price you are paying. And don't just, you know, sulk on only one brand, okay? I know a lot of people get angry on me because, I usually, you know, trash Hot Wheels because they do something like that. If the casting is beautiful, I really give credit. If you guys see in all my videos, you will know that. Even Majorette, I did trash talk them a lot because there is one casting, one Dodge Challenger, I guess. It was a Zamak edition. It literally crumbled in my hands the moment I took it out of the pack. It's been more than like 1.5 years, I guess, when that happened. Okay, so with that said, let's take this casting out. Okay, let me just put this on this side because I'm planning to keep this in and keep this inside here. Okay, let me just put it like this. Okay, as of now I'm just closing. Oh my god, I don't know how. Okay, there is a latch here. Okay, so out of the box this casting looks honestly really nice. So it does have some scratches here which I'm not really a fan of, but apart from that, so it has this acrylic inserts here like I mentioned multiple times at this point. Okay, I don't see any other issue with the casting apart from the scratch on the rear windshield here. I don't know why it has scratches. So it has taillight detail as well. So the entire thing here it is made of, I don't know if you can remove this, but it is a separate piece. I don't know if you can remove this. I can't able to remove it, but it is a separate piece. The spoiler is a separate piece. It is a metal. So the chassis is actually plastic. So there is one more version, like it's the full metal version that does have a metal chassis as well. It costs somewhere around the same range, like 599 only, not more than that. So you can see the hood detail here, it is opening really well now compared to the older castings they did in 2023. So Majorette has actually upped their game really well this year because they now entered into premium segment as well, with acrylic case and all. Unfortunately, that is not available in India now. I don't know about other countries, but I saw some shots and all that looks so gorgeous. I really wish they did, they release it in India. And another thing is, so this is the exact price they launched in 2023 as well. Either it's mainline or a premium or full metal casting, whatever it is, whatever you are picking. It's the same price as they released in 2023. Unlike Mattel, they bumped up the price, saying some kind of reason. Majorette didn't do that, at least yet. Okay, so this one is actually rubber wheels, rubber tires, and it does have suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. There's a lot of wheel wobble. The rear wheel wobbles a lot. But honestly, I don't know if you guys are going to play with this premium castings. I'm not going to play. I'm just going to keep it in showcase like here. So here itself, this one is Majorette. This Countach is a Majorette. I unboxed this during 2023. Okay, I didn't weigh this casting yet. Let's see how much it weighs. Okay, 37 grams. So it is not what I expected, but given that it has plastic chassis, it's fine. And but I don't have much of complaint about this particular casting, given that it has scratches on the windshield. But apart from that, I don't see any paint issue or anything. It looks really great. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.